Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to show you around this huge spec 2017 67 plate Audi Q5. Now this is the TDI S-Line Quattro. So Quattro 4-wheel drive, S-Line body styling. So coming through to the front bumper, you've got your front and rear parking sensors, obviously LED daytime running lights, you've got headlamp wash for those as well. You've got the Quattro 4-wheel drive designation within the centre grille. The car itself is finished in the stunning and highly desirable Daytona Grey metallic paintwork, which is one of the most desirable colours for these vehicles. Now, a classy looking car with all the bright silver detailing. So to the centre grille, you've got the roof bars, you've got the bright silver window surrounds, but then sporty Q, so you've got your privacy glass there. We're riding on upgrade alloy wheels, so these are 20-inch multi-spokes, also finished in the lovely Daytona Grey with a diamond turned outer edge. Those are riding on absolutely fantastic tyres. Bodywork wise, a very tidy car, so you can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. Coming through to the boot, electric tailgate, so just press of a button and that elegantly glides up. You've got your parcel shelf present. You've got netting there for the divider, split folding rear seats which are operated just by pull of a lever. You've got your first aid kit just down there. Down here you'll find your subwoofer for the stereo. You've got a 12-volt power outlet in the bottom there as well. Closing the boot, you've got your camera at the back there as well as your reversing sensors. But a very, very smart looking car. Inside then is a full ebony black RS style quilted leather. So you get a lovely contrasting white stitch on the fine leather interior. Looking at the bolsters, they're in fantastic order, so obviously this is where you tend to pick up most of your wear over time. Looking through to the rear then quickly. The rear seats again are in superb order, so you've got your central armrest there with cup holders which pop out like so. Isofix in the bottom for your child seats. You get a 3-zone climate, so the passengers in the back get their own climate control. 12-volt power outlet, so you get the full benefit of charging to the rear. And then looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched. Fit and finish on these cars are fantastic, so you get lots of Alcantara detailing, brushed aluminium detailing. This has got the Bang & Olufsen surround sound system which sounds crisp. You've got your park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear, central locking, manual electric boot opening there, and then jumping inside we'll close the door. Once you're inside, you're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. So on here is your voice command, all your volume and media controls. Now the nice feature on this one, we've got the virtual cockpit. So instead of your normal analog clocks, you get a secondary screen just above there. So this is quite customizable, so you can change the view, so you get this nice wide view of the satellite navigation, which is nice and easy to follow. Obviously you can zoom in, zoom out. You've got day and night mode, so you don't glare yourself as you're driving along. You've got your notes, obviously fuel consumption. So as we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 63,552 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. You've got your media then as well, so you've got your full DAB radio on this one, which you can control off of here. All your Bluetooth as well. If we click through to media, you can see your satellite, your DAB radios popped up there. You've got FM, AM. Now, coming through to the center display, you get this nice big floating screen, and on there, clicking through to the main menu, you've got your car settings, sound, so obviously you can adjust your bass, your treble. Because you've got the subwoofer in the boot, you can adjust that as well. Pressing back, radio, media, telephone. You've got full connectivity on this vehicle, so Obviously you've got maps in the centre there as well, but the connectivity gives you the Audi Connect, and you've got the Audi smartphone interface also. Trickling down, we've got our heated front seats, 3-zone climate as I mentioned before, fully selectable driving modes, automatic stop start, traction control, parking sensors which you can switch on and off, reversing camera pops on as soon as you flick it into reverse. You've got hill descent, another 12-volt power outlet, centre scroll wheel, and a nice touchpad just above it. You've got all the shortcuts for your radio, all the shortcuts for the actual main interface, so your maps, telephone, the gearbox. You've got drive, you've got sport, you can flick it over to the side which allows you to drive the car manually, pop it back into park and it corrects itself. You've got the flappy paddles on the steering wheel allowing you to drive the car manually, obviously cruise control and speed limiter. Car supplied with both keys, central armrest which is fully adjustable. Within there you'll find 2 USB ports and an aux. Auto dimming rear view mirror, and the list goes on and on. But fit and finish is fantastic. So as I mentioned before, lovely quilted leather, lovely brushed aluminium detailing. Inside of here it doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in, doesn't smell of any sort of pets. Looking at where you tend to pick up most of your work, so the steering wheel is in superb order, there's no signs of any sort of nicks or rips on there. I've showed you the bolsters on the seat, they're in fantastic order. Now you do tend to pick up quite a bit of nicks and dents on the bright silver detailing in the centre, obviously from watches and bracelets and so on, but that's in very, very nice order. So again, a cherished vehicle. I've had the chance to drive this one myself. Drives absolutely superb as it should. If you'd like anything further on the car, so if you'd like a part exchange price, if you'd like a finance quotation or anything more, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.